Welcome back to Wait. What? Today, we're diving into some unique brain exercises that can make your brain healthier, sharper, and more focused. Forget the usual advice like breathing exercises or meditation. These exercises are fun, engaging, and something you'll actually enjoy doing in your free time. Now, you might be thinking, my mind is already sharp. Well, let's put that to the test with these exercises and see if we can push it even further. Exercise number 1, the Schulte Table. Our first exercise is all about challenging your brain. This helps activate your cognitive abilities. You'll see a grid with numbers from 1 to 25 arranged randomly. Focus on the number in the center and try to locate all the numbers in ascending order within 30 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Could you find them all? Don't worry if you missed some. With practice, this exercise will enhance your information processing speed and peripheral vision. You can find more Schulte Table challenges online or in apps. For a quick brain workout. Exercise. Number 2. Multicolor text. In this exercise, you will see words written in various colors. Your task is to say the color of each word out loud, not the word itself. For example, if the word red is written in blue, you should say blue. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! This may look easy, but it's actually quite challenging. It forces your brain to process information differently, strengthening memory, concentration, and multitasking skills. Exercise number 3. Blindfolded Tasks. In this exercise, try completing small tasks with your eyes closed. For example, close your eyes and write your name on paper. Draw simple shapes like a circle, triangle, or square, or even type something on your phone. Why not try it now? Pause the video and type your name in the comments with your eyes closed. This exercise keeps your brain active and sharpens spatial memory and recall. Exercise. No. 4. Hand coordination. Now let's work on hand coordination. Make a peace sign with your right hand and an OK sign with your left. Then switch. Make a peace sign with your left hand and an OK sign with your right. Try doing this 5 times in a row within 10 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! This exercise strengthens the mind-body connection. Exercise. Number 5. Using your non-dominant hand. This next exercise is simple but powerful. Use your non-dominant hand for tasks you'd usually do with your dominant hand. If you usually brush your teeth with your right hand, try using your left. Try writing, eating, or performing other daily tasks with your non-dominant hand. This gives your brain an extra workout, forming new neural connections and strengthening the mind-body link. If you're enjoying this video, why not try giving it a like with your non-dominant hand? Exercise. Number 6. Brain games. We often hear that video games are addictive, but research shows that brain-challenging games can improve decision-making and memory. Opt for games like Sudoku, chess, riddles, or word scrambles that make you think, rather than addictive games like Candy Crush. Websites like Lumosity offer a variety of free brain training games to keep you sharp. Exercise number 7. Limiting technology. Dependence. Finally, try limiting your dependence on technology. While technology makes life easier, relying on it too much deprives your brain of activity. Practice small tasks manually, like memorizing words, calculating without a calculator, or remembering contact numbers. This strengthens your memory and makes you more self-reliant. Instead of always making lists, challenge yourself to remember things without them. This isn't about completely abandoning lists. It's about making your memory your first tool. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Be sure to share them in the comments below. See you in the next one. And until then, bye.